winter special horse gram kulthi curry, which is made from horse gram sprouts. If you're consuming horse gram for the first time, then do try sprouts, because sprouts are easy to digest and it's easy for the body to accept sprouts. I have the link in the description how to make horse gram sprouts. I'm going to post it in the description. Now rinse the sprouts before you use them, then add some water, turmeric. Usually I don't add salt to this horse gram because it will slow down the cooking process, especially for this. It takes a lot of time to cook, so just turmeric, water, and it takes about 7 to 8 whistles. Here I'm soaking some tamarind in hot water, keeping it aside. You can use tamarind pulp. If you don't have, you can use lemon juice. So horse gram are ready and they are nicely cooked. See, cooked perfectly. Now I'm going to mash them with a masher. You can also use the blender. We are going to save this water. We need it. So I'm going to mash it. And horse gram is a perfect winter food. It is heaty in nature, so winter is the best time to consume this. It's high in protein with lot of nutrients, and there are so many health benefits of horse gram. So I'm going to do the seasoning, some oil, mustard seeds. When mustard seeds start spluttering, we are going to add some curry leaves. You can add more curry leaves. I didn't have, it's winter time. Green chili and ginger crushed. Sauteed for 1 to 2 minutes. And now we are going to add tomatoes. I have all the ingredients in the description. Saute tomatoes. Before that, we are going to add turmeric, red chili powder, and cumin powder. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and cover and cook by adding some. First, we'll add some salt just for the tomatoes, and cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes cook and they're nicely cooked. Now I'm going to add the tamarind pulp which I have made. And if you don't have a tamarind, you can use squeeze some lemon at the end after it's boiled. So cover and cook for another 2 minutes. So now this is a tangy, spicy mix we have. Now to this, we're going to add some cilantro and some this mashed sprouts, cooked sprouts. The water which was remaining from that, that's very nutritious. And adjust the consistency as per your taste. Add some salt because we didn't add salt when we were cooking. And jaggery will give a balance to this curry. You can have this as a soup also. Adjust the consistency. I usually have this with bhakri or rice. So make it thin or thicker as per your choice. Give it a boil, one boil. And once it's boiled, I'm going to add some more cilantro. And at this point, you can add lemon juice if you didn't add tamarind. And if you want the spicier version, you can add garam masala also. I like it to have it, it's like a soup also. But today I'm going to have it with brown rice. Brown rice and horse gram kulthi curry is a perfect winter meal for me. So do try this and stay healthy.